You are watching part 1 of a multi-park series.
Within the next couple of days, got a few pieces of fire equipment coming, such as I believe it's a KAC coupon, as well as KAC key, and then a C-Tech fire alarm panel. Okay, so for the coupon, that's arriving on the 26th of August. The fire alarm panel will be arriving tomorrow on the 25th.
Okay, so this, I believe, is a coupon. And it has a tech key. Is this glass or is this plastic? Oh. If this is glass, I know a little trick. Okay, so I've now got it open, but with a glass coupon, all you need to do is flip it around and put it back into place. Okay, so this panel was supposed to arrive yesterday. 3, 2, 1. So we get an instruction manual, these key I believe this is, as well as 2 reset keys. On the panel itself, we have the slot for the thing to go in, the reset keys. Over here, I can put something there. We've got some instructions over here. Behind, there isn't much. I've always wanted. It's that simple. That's this thing. I'm going to put that fit up there. Pretty much perfectly. Except for it keeps falling off, oh well. And this is the inside. Make sure to stay tuned for part 2, which, depending on when the rest of the equipment arrives, will hopefully go live on Saturday, the 4th of September 2021. To view more of this series, click the playlist on screen now. You are watching part 1 of a multi-park series.